Okay guys, I'm going to be doing 2 short informational videos this morning. One is going to be on this Poogie, I guess that's how you spell it or pronounce it, 2-step protein treatment. This by far is the best protein treatment for your hair after bleaching it. I found it at Sally's and it's about $3 for the 2-pack. And the first thing that you do is after you've bleached your hair and rinsed it, you're going to put this first step in. It's a liquid form of natural protein, which is what is lost in your hair while you're bleaching it and which causes damage and breakage and the expansion of your hair follicles. This puts the protein back in your hair, just, I would say, as well as the keratin treatments at the salon. So, but what you do with this is that you pour it out. I've only used half of each one because my hair isn't thick, it's thin, and not thinning, but just fine hair, very skinny. And you put it in the bowl with the brush, and while it's like towel dry, and you brush it all through your hair from your scalp to the ends. And then once it's dry, it'll be crispy. Your hair will be completely crispy. Don't try to comb through it. It's just going to be that way. If you're going to be dyeing your hair in between, you're going to put the dye on, let it sit for its amount of time, and then rinse it out. And once that's rinsed out, then you go to your balancing moisturizer, and then you leave it on for, it says 1 to 2 minutes, but you can leave it on longer. And then when you rinse it out, your hair feels like it has not even been bleached. And that is a good thing. So I recommend this product for anyone with bleach damaged hair.